the show's about to begin. As you can see, people are sitting and waiting for the world premiere of this movie, Change. So let's sit down and take a seat, enjoy the show, and I'll get back to you after it.
Welcome. Thank you so much for joining us this evening. I can't even begin to tell you what this means to us to share this with you tonight.
We all have our struggles with making health a priority. This is just a film that really portrays and helps us to kind of make that a priority in our own lives. And I don't think I've had a project where I've been given as much creativity or felt like I've just had my heart and soul into it so much. I can't say that this film would be anything without the 5 people that just stood up. And as Cable mentioned, you're going to feel like you really know these individuals, and every single one of them you can see yourself in. And that's what I love about this film, and that's what I loved about the process of doing this film, is that we're all, at whatever level we are, we have such a great potential. And to think about that we each have a human potential that's so much greater than wherever we are.
Last but certainly not least, thank you to all of you who purchased tickets to come out and support the staff, the cast, and the project. And I really, really hope that we can all leave tonight just a little bit more inspired and a little bit more motivated.
Guys, I could talk all night about how in love I am with this, but I just can't wait for you to see it. So welcome to Change.
Love you, Drew!
Where I'm standing here by one of the celebrities here of Red Deer. Now, I know that you've been featured in quite a few articles and everything as well here in Red Deer. What did you think about the movie?
I thought it was awesome.
Drew said it right at the beginning of the film, just in his comments, and saying that they're not Olympic athletes. They're the every person. So you see yourself on the screen telling the story because they have the exact same challenges that we all do.
It made me tear up a little bit just knowing Brad and everything, but I'm unbelievably proud of him.
Yeah, I really liked it. I think it's good if people see that people change. I like to see that.
I'm thinking I should get more active in my life too, you know. You get busy with work, with kids and stuff. It's just gotta find time.
I agree. And do you think there should be a second movie?
I definitely think there should be a second movie, yeah.
It was absolutely an emotional kind of experience for me just to hear everyone's story. It was just amazing.
Knowing Cable and what he's been able to do the last few years and watching his business grow and inspire others, just being able to leverage that out to an audience that doesn't have to be connected just to those people in person, to be able to tell that story around the world, that's what's exciting to see that, so that his inspiration and each one of the cast members' inspiration can be leveraged out to just a ton of people, inspire even more.
Yeah, I agree. And I think that, if you think about it, like, how important is it that everybody sees this film?
I think it should be on everybody's, account, ready to watch.
Inspiration is what people need, so they need to watch this because they'll walk away wanting to do something.
I'm so glad that I got to be a part of this. It was fantastic. It was so much fun. It was fun to do, and my students are just gonna be so excited when I tell them about this tomorrow, that their scenes in the movies and stuff. It was awesome.
Where do you see yourself, next year? What about a sequel?
A sequel to movies? Maybe not. A sequel to goals? Yes, I have a bench press goal now that I'm working on, and that goal is to bench press 100 pounds. So I have a year, and I'm confident. I've got a really great trainer right now, and I'm confident it'll get done.
Well, that sounds absolutely great. I mean, truly inspiring, and I hope that more people look at the movie and say, "Hey, I can do that. I can go out there and make a change."
You have to take that step. You have to take that leap. If you don't know where your journey will take you.